Do you feel like life could be a little better with just a few changes? What if I told you that just 10 small tweaks to your daily routine could bring major improvements to your life? Stick around, because these are the simple changes that could have a huge impact. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make your life a little easier, more productive, and way more enjoyable, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share 10 small changes that will make a big difference in your life. These aren't big life-altering habits, but rather simple, easy changes that anyone can start doing today. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be feeling more in control and way more positive about your day-to-day life. So let's jump right in. 1. Start your day with water. We all know that staying hydrated is important, but many of us forget to drink water right when we wake up. Drinking a glass of water in the morning helps rehydrate your body, boost your metabolism, and even wakes you up better than coffee. It's an easy habit to adopt and will make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. 2. Make your bed. I know it sounds small, but hear me out. Making your bed first thing in the morning gives you a sense of accomplishment. It's one of those simple wins that sets the tone for the day. Plus, you'll have a neat, cozy bed to return to at the end of the day, and that's always a nice feeling. 3. Take a 5-minute break every hour. Our brains weren't designed for long stretches of focus. Taking a quick 5-minute break every hour, whether it's stretching, walking around, or just taking a deep breath, helps refresh your mind and boost productivity. It prevents burnout and helps you stay sharp all day long. 4. Eat more greens. Adding a little more green to your plate can make a big difference to your health. Whether it's spinach, kale, or even just some fresh veggies, greens are packed with nutrients and energy-boosting vitamins. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just adding a handful to your meals can help you feel better both physically and mentally. 5. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from your phone or computer can mess with your sleep cycle. Try setting a no screens rule 30 minutes before bed. Instead, read a book, journal, or listen to calming music. You'll fall asleep faster and feel more rested in the morning. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you. 6. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. It can be something as simple as your morning coffee or the people you love. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive and helps shift your perspective, making life feel a little more fulfilling. 7. Plan your day the night before. Take 10 minutes before bed to map out your day for tomorrow. Write down what you want to accomplish, your top priorities, and anything you need to remember. 8. Declutter your space. Clutter can stress us out without us even realizing it. Take just 10 minutes a day to tidy up a small area of your home or workspace. Whether it's your desk, kitchen counter, or closet, decluttering helps clear your mind and create a more peaceful environment to work and relax in. 9. Get outside every day. Even if it's just for 10 minutes, spending time outside does wonders for your mood and mental health. The fresh air, the sunlight, and a change of scenery all contribute to your overall well-being. So take a walk, sit in a park, or just stand on your balcony for a few minutes. It'll make a big difference. 10. Surround yourself with positivity. Whether it's people, media, or even the environment you're in, try to surround yourself with positive energy. Avoid negativity, whether it's from people or social media, and instead focus on things that make you feel good. Positive energy is contagious, and it will help you stay in a good mindset all day. What if I told you that financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a journey you can start today? Stick around to discover the steps that can help you break free from debt, achieve your money goals, and live a life on your terms. 1. Understanding what financial freedom really means. Before we dive into the strategies, let's get clear on what financial freedom actually means. It's not about being super rich or winning the lottery. Financial freedom is about being in control of your money, having enough savings to live comfortably, and being able to make choices without worrying about bills or debt. Think of it like this: you can work because you want to, not because you have to. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with that. Step 2. Set clear, realistic financial goals. The first step to financial freedom is setting goals, and I mean specific goals. How much money do you want to have saved in 6 months or a year? Do you want to pay off your credit card debt or student loans? What's your ideal emergency fund? Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Write them down and make them measurable. This makes them much easier to work toward. Step 3. Get organized with your budget. This might sound simple, but trust me, it's essential. You need to know where your money is going. There are tons of budgeting methods out there, but the goal is to track your income and expenses every month. What are your fixed costs? Rent, utilities, subscriptions. What can you cut back on? Eating out, entertainment. What can you save or invest? If you're not tracking your spending yet, don't worry, it's never too late to start. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget, or just a simple spreadsheet to keep track. Step 4. Cut down debt. The snowball method. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, so it's time to take action. If you have debt, focus on paying it down aggressively. Start with the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first. Once it's paid off. 5. Build an emergency fund. This is your safety net. Start by saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If an unexpected expense comes up, like a car repair or medical bill, you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans. This fund helps protect your financial stability. Start small. If you have to $50 a week is better than nothing. You can always increase the amount once you're more comfortable. 6. Invest for the future. Now that you have your debts in check and your emergency and set up, it's time to think about growing your wealth. Start with employer-sponsored retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Look into low-cost index funds or stocks if you're comfortable with investing. Automate your investments so that you contribute a set amount each month, whether the market goes up or down. Remember, the goal is to start early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. 7. Increase your income. Side hustles. If you're really serious about becoming financially free, you may need to find ways to earn more money. Whether it's a part-time job, freelancing, or creating a side hustle, additional income can accelerate your progress. Think about your skills. Can you write, design, teach, or drive for Uber? The internet is full of ways to make money on the side. The key is to find something that fits your schedule and passions. 8. Stay committed and keep learning. Becoming financially free is a marathon, not a sprint. It won't happen overnight, but as long as you stay committed, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving, you'll make progress. Keep reading books, listening to podcasts, and watching videos like this one to stay inspired and knowledgeable. There you have it. Those are the essential steps to becoming financially free. Whether you're just starting or already on your way, remember, it's about small, consistent actions over time. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to build wealth and live life on your own terms. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your financial goals for this year. I love to hear from you.